Have you already done this with your dishwasher? In this video, I'll show you why you should definitely try it and what you really need to bear in mind, because you need oranges, clementines, or lemons. However, you shouldn't just throw them in the dishwasher like I did here. You need to prepare them a little beforehand. If you want to eat oranges anyway, you will usually either remove the peel from them or cut them in half and then squeeze them. What remains is just the peel because you have now eaten the flesh. And you shouldn't just throw the peel in the bin, but use it for this ingenious trick. Ideally, you should cut it into slightly smaller pieces first. I now quarter half the orange peel, which is perfect for this purpose. For example, if there is still a bit of pulp left after squeezing, you can peel it off beforehand so that you only have the peel left. What you could also do, however, is simply cut off some of the peel with a peeler. This is also perfect for your dishwasher, as you will see in a moment. It doesn't matter which option you choose, it works with both. However, these strips are perfect for placing in your cutlery basket or cutlery drawer, for example. Just put them in with the cutlery and leave them in. You can now simply put the bowls we cut to size in the dishwasher. Ideally, however, you should clamp them over these handles so that they hold firmly and don't just fly around. You can also place several of these in your dishwasher. Now put your dishwasher tab or dishwasher powder into the machine as normal, close it and start it. You can run it through completely. But what exactly does the orange peel do in our dishwasher? The orange actually ensures that unpleasant odors from the dishwasher, which can always occur over time, are completely removed. It is therefore a small dishwasher deodorizer that you have prepared from ingredients that you would otherwise have thrown in the bin. Of course, the cutlery and dishes get really clean, just like they usually do. But do you also know the following 10 cleaning glove tricks that everyone should know, but unfortunately nobody does? Then click on the video you see on the screen and I'll show you.